Y'all not tired yet? Well, I don't even know. It's like 7 in the morning, but this is the perfect time. So, anyway. Look. Hold on. Let's get closer. And no, I don't go to the same spot. Literally, I find mushrooms. Okay. Here they are. Whoa. I'm standing on a tree stump, y'all. So, you can see, like, the ones that weren't harvested, they died. But look at them. Ooh, that's an underview. There's just so many. Like, there's more up there. There's only a few, and there's some more growing. There's a lot of dead patches, but this is like the main patch that I found today, just out in nature. There's your daily mushrooms.